Alright, so we're looking at the BT hands-free car kit. Got stuck in. Now I already have a splitter in here in my car, so I can have my GPS. But I need something for the radio and to have hands-free calling. And the cool thing about this one, there's even a slot in here for micro SD cards, so you can put in music that way. So I've got it stuck in. Now to get it set up, you just need to grab your phone and find the Bluetooth part for it. So I'm going to go to my settings on my phone. Go to Bluetooth. And we'll look for, looks like this BCO3 could be it. Right, so we're paired with the BCO3. Now, I don't know if you can see this, it's really faint on here. It says 107.0. So if I turn on my radio to 107.0. Oh, I don't have a 107.0, so I need to go up because it can only do 107.1. So that says my channel. There we go, 107. I'm going to go ahead and go to 107.5 because that's kind of the end of the dial. Alright, and hit channel. Okay, turn it up 107.5. Alright, so it looks like I'm on channel 6, 107.5. Now let's try to play something on my phone and see if it works. Alright, good deal. So we're already synced up with the car. Now here's the part that I'm excited about. I got this little SD card. I'm gonna stick it in here and see how to play that. Maybe. Oh, maybe it's upside down. So just stick that guy in there. It snaps in.
Music.
Oh, cool. So it automatically plays. So if you have that in. Alright, and I can pause it that way. If I want to go to the next song. Sweet.